Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am your host Tanisha with Tea Cooks with Flave. Today we're in the kitchen and we're gonna be steaming some butterfish. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys, let's get started. So I have my fish here. We're gonna be doing the butterfish today. They're so pretty. I love this type of fish. It's very good when you steam it. So if you watch my previous video, I did like a brown stew fish. This is completely different. So if you're on the more healthy side and you're not trying to do the fried food, this would be a great option for you. I have all my ingredients lined up here. It's very easy to prepare and it's very quick. So let's get right into it. What you'll need to season your fish is your fish seasoning. I'm not sure if everyone will have access to this one, but any type of fish seasoning is relatively good enough. So we're gonna use the Maggi fish seasoning, black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, or salt. All right, and then I have my herbs here, chopped garlic and scallions, my Scotch bonnet pepper of course, pimento seeds, thyme, onions, sweet pepper, okras, and tomatoes. So let's get right into it. I have, again, I'm gonna just black pepper on both sides and then on the inside. And I typically season my fish the same. Now I've already cleaned them. You know, I always get my fish clean when I purchase. So only thing I had to do just now was wash them off with some lemon juice. I didn't pat dry because I'm gonna be steaming, I'm not frying. So I don't have to worry about any oil spills or oil pop up today, okay? I just added some garlic powder. Now I'm gonna be adding some salt. Ooh, that's a little bit much. So you just kind of evenly distribute it. You wanna have your fish perfectly seasoned. So I go in, I flip, and then I salt on the other side. And I'm using a teaspoon. You can salt to taste. And then here I'm going in with my Maggi all-purpose. Just go in. Pretty much done with seasoning. It's very easy. It's a very healthy recipe as well. For those of you who do not like fried food, this would be again a great option for you. So just kind of rub it in there. On the stove, I have a teaspoon of coconut oil that is being preheated. It's on low heat. We're gonna start the cooking process. Again, it's very easy, so let's get right to it. Here I have my teaspoon of coconut oil. We're gonna start adding our ingredients. Scallion and garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, pimento seeds, whole onion, we're gonna add in our bell peppers, okras, and tomato. Saute your vegetables. smelling so good already, guys. I'm just gonna add some black pepper. Small piece of butter. A little water for the base. Then at this time, we're gonna be adding in, little by little, your fish. Gonna add and cover with the seasoning. Make space for the other one. Make space. I need just a little bit more liquid base because I'm gonna be covering and it will spring its own water. So I'm adding just a small amount of water. I'm gonna cover now so they could start steaming, and I have my stove on medium heat. And then I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 15-20 minutes. We're 5 minutes in and they've already started to feel very tender. So I might not even allow them to cook for 20 minutes. Probably give them an additional 5 minutes. See, it built its own water. They're getting very soft and tender, so I'll just cover. In a few minutes, your fish will be good to go. Thank you guys so much once again for tuning in, and I will see you next time.